This case does not want to split. I was the only thing left on here is a starter. I was like, oh yeah, those bolts are not going all the way through. I don't gotta take those ones off. But I do, because there's one hiding right there. You bugger. Easy when you... Everything is... Oh man. Can't believe that was my oil pan. Josh. What's in your oil pan? That was gnarly. I can't believe that was my bike. Dirt in my can. All the parts are labeled. Bag it up. Check that. Last valve there, so they're all loose. Couple tight ones here. So I'll adjust these valves. Put these cam bolts in. Special cam bolts do not have any of these. I have to wait for those. So, well, every day can be a good day. Yesterday, got my CBR all together. I bought the cylinder head off of eBay, so I really didn't have any idea of what condition it's in. So I had to throw it on and try it out. So just found out that it's not starting. So I tore it back apart, checked timing. Timing's dead nuts. So I'm just gonna do a leak down test on all the cylinders now. That's weird. Why is it leaking out of there? Not a spot it leaks from. Got a crack in it. That's great. It made it to green. No abnormal leakage there. A little past the rings. Nothing past the exhaust or the intake. Alright. Well, once again, the CBR600 gets pushed off the back of the line. Once again, I don't have the funds to fix whatever's wrong with the head. So, got customers' vehicles I gotta get back onto anyway today. At least I got the fire blade, a 954. When the time comes for my license to be reinstated, I will be back on the road on this bad boy. Can't wait.